Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that I found over at the mall in a little store called Miniso. And they've got all sorts of little cutesy things and stuffs, and they also have some noodles and snacks, and this is the Nissin, Demae, Iccho, sesame oil flavored cup noodle out of Hong Kong. So once the Hong Kong thing totally changed, it says it's made in Hong Kong, but it mostly says product of China, where they really didn't previously. But I don't know. I'm gonna still call it a product of Hong Kong. I don't know. Not trying to make anybody angry, but that's the way I did it before. That's the way I'll keep doing it, unless I'm convinced to do otherwise. But anyways, it is Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, and tonight is the big debate. And not only that, the Iranians just attacked Israel, which is not cool. And yeah, that's wow. But it sounds like nobody got hurt, but I don't know, nobody wants to get blowed up, so I'm sure people are not super cool with it. But it is, yeah, it's Tuesday. With craziness happening. And, yeah, I am beat. It's pretty stressful when your brother lives in Israel, let me tell you. But it sounds like he should be fine. I'm going to try to send a shout out to him shortly. And it's sunny out. Really bright. Eyeball hurtingly bright. Yeah. I'm just beat. I feel like crap today. Sore, achy. I don't know. I've definitely felt crummy since I got COVID, and that's no fun. No crummy. Please make the crummy stop. But yeah, I went out, walked around a little bit, played some games on my phone, and yammered with old Stumpy from North Little Rock. Yeah, I might be making a pizza, and we'll watch the debate. I don't know about making a pizza. We'll see. But I'm stirring the noodles until the noodles are happy. And when they're happy, we'll have the noodles. Did up a bunch of eggs. Actually, I made 6 eggs earlier, didn't I? I'm getting better at making eggs. Squawk, squawk. What else is going on? Not a lot, I don't think. I'm thinking. And yeah, so this is the Sesame one, and then I've got something completely different for the next episode from South Korea, so you'll have to watch out for that. Oh well, it's long gone now. It's October 1st. They're coming out with a noodle box on October 6th that has over 40 varieties in it, and they sent it to me. So if you type in National Noodle Day in my YouTube channel, you'll find it. It was a lot of stuff, and what is it? It's like, it's October 1st here for you. I'm guessing it's like January 17th, so it's almost Inauguration Day for you, and my sister's birthday. That's cool. Happy birthday to my sister. Oof. So this is Demae Iccho. It's not Nissin cup noodle, but it is a cup with noodles in it. And it's a sesame oil flavor one. So, as you can see, it says sesame oil. And I've got to open it and add in said oil of sesame. And here comes the sesame oil. There we are. I will give it a stir and a flavor taste with my flavor. I'll put some in my food slot. How about that? So let's give these noodles a try. Little corn. What else we got in there? Yeah, what are you? Seems like cabbage to me. And more corn. And it tastes like kind of like a sesame soy kind of thing going on. More leaning on the sesame. I remember the packed version of this when I was younger. I'm kind of partial to it now. It's not bad. But when I was younger, I was like, it's horrible. I can't take it. I would get like a single pack of it every once in a while, and I would just be like, oh, that was a big mistake. Over the years, my taste buds have most certainly, I don't know if matured or changed or I don't know, but way back in the day, I was like, oh, it tastes hard, man. I would have big whiny fit. I did. I really did. Now it's like, yeah, it's all right. That's where I'm at with this one. I definitely tolerate it. Is it my favorite? No. Okay. We'll go right about there. I'm going to use some cashew. Okay. Yeah, it kind of worked out well. I've got some slices of cashew that are much smaller than others, so that kind of works out. There's that. We'll do some. I'm trying to think, how do I want to go about plating? A little bit of onion there. And is it dirty? Oh, no, it should be clean. No, it's not clean. Oh no, I am like low on knife options. I'll have to use this one. And I made all the eggs. So now I've got to go get more eggs, which is fine. And I gotta still say, I really like these. They're like these heritage eggs. I was listening to a political show and there's the whole thing. Hey, a dozen eggs, it's $7. Yeah, and you know, Those are fancy eggs. If you go and buy a dozen of eggs that's like not super fancy, it's significantly less. But you know, can't get people freaking out unless you use the right terminology. Air your grievances, make your mark. Air your grievances, be the snark. Yeah. Calling that a deal. Well, yeah. Let's just, it'll rotate. You can watch it rotate. Alright, well cool, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Paldo with their BB Men, but this is the Mala version. Thanks to James from Lakeside, California for sending this along. Yeah, so this will be a spicy cold noodles, so we'll give that a try. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, do it now. Have a good one, bye-bye.